if you really feel like donating, I'm not asking, but if you feel compelled to do so, I will not disallow you.
Oh, I almost dropped it.
I'm a different Jeep guy. You are not.
Go.
Wow.
Wait,
See the whole
where's
rain
Onyx?
show.
This works. Yes.
And where's? You're not a different Jeep guy. I'm so confused, and I miss Onyx. I've only talked to Onyx on Twitch streams.
Come on. Get to go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Alright, I think it's time to wrap up this stream on this note. Or at least go into my closing statement.
Alright, guys. We're gonna give you the compelled. This is a real experiment, man. I'm also not joking. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Go. Crazy rain going on. Go. We don't want to miss the rain. Rain's going crazy. I gotta hurry. Rain's going crazy. Once we get here. Rain, 10, 14. Okay, you can see the rain. You can't see it. And I gotta get into some safe spot.
Tornado was going right down to the fucking airport.
Let's throwing all that shit your way.
Wow.
So I got to the truck
Years
stop and
ago-
ran for color.
This is
Years
rainy.
ago, Jan over there had a bigger dog. We had a big hailstorm. And fucking dog got out.
whole life.
It's not an outside dog, so I was like freaking out.
Oh, yeah.
So I go running out to try and help. Fucking hail like this, hit me in the head.
Hey.
Fuck that. Fuck your dog, not mine.
I went to baseball practice when I was a kid, and we lived in Fairbanks, Alaska. And got there, this shit all of a sudden popped up. And so the coach was like, we're not having practice, go home now because we're about to get hit with lightning. No, we didn't get hit with lightning, but we got nailed like this shit. I had my ass beat. I fell off my bike from the pain.
Within the first year or two, we started
This is like
my boss.
I thought it was.
Is there a hail or is it just big fucking rain?
Big rain.
Big
Look,
rain.
it sucked it back up.
Oh my gosh.
So within the first year or two,
That is
Glenn was
this is
a
just
stuntman
weird
at the time.
weird stuff.
And he's from Minnesota.
So
So we got snow
Yeah.
on there.
I don't know how to
Coming down
squeeze
pretty
out of
big,
there
it was
though.
like, you know where we're getting
And I can't video
Yeah.
out of
He
them.
fucking flipped his shit. He's like,
And look-
everybody out, go home. And
Hey.
we're like, why?
You're ruining it.
It's snowing, it's snowing.
It's not
Okay.
snowing it.
This is Salem, Oregon.
Yeah.
No more
We're
hot
okay.
weather.
Yeah,
That's
we're
not
okay.
fair.
We're shutting down the plant, so fuck around.
It's like, are you gonna give us our
We
fucking
got like an inch
hours?
of fucking snow. That was the last time he did that.
Yeah, I remember whenever.
I'm not happy. And also the nesting things are getting wet. They're getting wet in the camera. I don't understand. I couldn't believe there was
I know. I can't remember
weird
what it's
stuff
called.
out
but
there. Oh,
It's part of the ozone.
The ozone was
it's
burning.
turning down the rain. Alright guys, one more turn down rain.
See, I can't do that because I'm like 3 miles away.
Well, see, when CJ was working there in the beginning,
That was hilarious.
I'm the one who took and brought her to work.
Now when's it gonna end?
Because
Rain's not
I'm the one
ending.
who's getting hurt.
I remember
Give me
when I
that
used to work
time.
at the paper mill.
No.
It was a really bad ice storm.
Wait a minute.
It was
The paper mill down below on the river?
Westland, not the Oregon City side.
Nothing
Oh,
else to
because the
say.
Oregon City one is the
Oh
oldest
my
mill in
God, the
Oregon.
looks I got from my
Right there at the base of the
No,
falls.
I
To
think
see
the Westland one
everything.
where I was at was older.
Although the clouds are green.
Okay, then that's the one.
All I know is right there, really bad ice
It didn't
storm.
matter that there was
Yeah.
That was pink.
whatever. Like they
I
felt
thought I was
done
gonna die on my
being
way
cheaper,
home.
Oh.
You know.
And I
and
called
Now
it.
when it's gonna
And
happen?
I'm like, I know.
What's next? Tornadoes?
That was a good one right
That was
there.
a big one. saw him
Where?
bouncing off her
Where?
glasses.
Yep, it was just on the other side of Kubler.
Keep
But
playing
yeah,
in
they
the sky.
gave me shit.
Bless you.
Bless you.
They gave me shit.
Sorry.
Like, fuck you guys. It's 49
You mean
miles one
point?
way on the
You mean the
fucking
video in
shit
the sky?
Yeah.
Watch the
They were
sky.
like threatening me and like, oh, it's
I'm gonna
gonna
video
be
in the
good.
sky.
Like, fuck
Video
you.
in the
I'm not willing to die for you.
Remember when the paper mill was
I
open
don't
in
see it.
Albany?
I might have to
Oh, yeah.
get closer.
that
Good enough.
steam.
You can see it, guys.
It would blow that goddamn steam
I'm gonna
in
put
the
that on
air,
YouTube.
and it would come down across I-5
I'm gonna say,
with
hey.
snow.
Oh.
And so as I'm going to Albany to work, I'm having to drive 2.5 miles of nothing. Like shit.
Wow.
Because of that crap.
There's no flash
And
anymore.
it was only snowing because of that. It was right there.
Well,
it's kind of
guys-
like lake effect snow.
Where's the electric flash?
You never
You just
know.
gotta
It could
watch
come.
for it.
It could come out of any of that.
Yeah, that is so pretty.
That is gorgeous.
Whoa. Where's that?
Well, we
Tiny
should get
thing.
back.
Yeah, before
But
Steven has a meltdown.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. And
Well
more
done.
is coming.
Okay.
Nice.
More videos.
And that salmon's great.
And me will come in
Huh?
soon. Oh, you can see. You can see. You can
I
see.
made him. I made something
Real
once,
10.
and I ended up forcing batting up into
going-
the tennis part
We're going range.
and put 2
We're going
golf
range.
balls in the Tessa's
The
coffee,
rain.
and then I just wood stitched it closed.
That's what
But
I
I had it on the
expected.
fucking
Rage
dashboard
these rains.
of my '66 Dodge
Worry
Polara.
rains.
It was a big blue
WT
penis with blue
rains.
balls.
I remember, I thought of that because I remember when I was a kid and we flew back to Tennessee, we must have had a
In the
layover in,
video, though,
I guess Texas,
Let's see
but
what
I remember going to the gift shop
it's going
and they
crazy.
had Texas Long Johns. And it was, you know, instead of, it was shaped
It's
like-
dark.
Yeah.
instead of balls with the schlong like
Yes,
that long.
the sky's
They
dark
call
in the
Texas
video.
Long Johns.
Well, you know what a
I never-
Texas toothpick is, right?
Yeah, it's a
Raccoon.
raccoon.
Raccoon penis
Yeah.
bone.
Hey.
Because they actually
Dude,
have
Hey.
a
You're
bone.
gonna get burned.
You got to
Where?
be careful too, because
Yeah,
you don't have clothes on. If you get wet, you'll conduct electricity.
Hey.
That means Dante blows up. We can't trade.
It
to the-
happened.
we
It
can't-
happened just a few days
We
ago.
can't trade it to the
Car
gypsies.
Before I get electric.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
happened just a few days ago in Washington D.C. 3 people passed away. Oh, I remember when there were some people camping out there where Guitar Under the Stars is.
Yeah.
At that park.
Cheeto Lake.
They were out there camping, and a lightning bolt hit the ground like 100 yards away, but it had been raining so much
Where's it
that
coming
it
in?
traveled through the
We're
ground
gonna stay tight.
and got their tent.
Damn.
Killed 2 of them inside the tent.
Damn.
Yeah,
What
they
was
never
that?
saw what got them.
What was that?
There's
Well,
we don't see the electric
Really?
pointy
I don't remember
flash.
hearing about that.
that was fucked up.
Oh, wait.
Scary.
Yeah.
We see it.
All right, man.
Not even.
We'll talk to you later, man. I'm gonna try to
Babe, come here.
Wait, I don't see it.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
As long as you don't get behind slow pokes like I do.
I did that.
But I don't see it.
Yeah. When I came
No,
back
it's
from
just
your
the
place,
pretty sky.
and then
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, right.
Babe,
Uh-uh.
come here.
I'll hear it in a second.
Scott, come here.
What?
Here. Hang tight on those. Ah, man, no. I don't want to get electric water out of my house, dude. You can't see nothing. No.
Sorry, I was taking a piano.
I hope the lightning doesn't touch my swimming pool.
Look how fucking blue it is over there.
It's not even there.
There's your dog. Babe.
Hey, I want to see it. I want.
Badass.
Hello. Did the lightning touch my swimming pool?
Nope.
Okay, good. Because once it'll have a hole in my swimming pool, and that costs $100. I'll be sad.
Couldn't do more than that.
That should not go.
It's so cool right now. I love it out here.
This is exciting. It looks like the
I
ones
love-
from
I love this stuff.
Final Destination movies. Also,
Jesus,
it's not
Dante,
real
you're gonna give
anyways.
Mom nightmares. Okay, move. Let me through.
Man,
I gotta sit down.
can't. You can see the ground's. Is that lightning electric? Cause Yeah, let's just see the grass is faded. Say goodbye to the weather. It's gone. 3, 2, 1. If we don't see it, not like me. Oh well. We gotta get by, guys. We gotta get by. For the camera. I don't think it's coming. No way. Oh well. Well, that's even. That's kind of even, though. The dogs got wet out there. I think they stay inside. Thank you for the ones who want to see the rain and the crazy rain and all the weird sky, rainbows, electric, lightning, everything. Thank you guys.
That's a cool picture.
Thank you for watching. I'm glad I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It's dangerous. It's dangerous to enjoy those rains. When you're enjoying the lightning.
Well, if you get struck by lightning, it's dangerous. Enjoying it's okay.
Yeah, it will electric you, and we can't turn you into gypsies, and I don't have videos anymore. Which is not fair. Which means I quit. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.
Of me trying to say goodbye and end the stream, and then I always end up talking for like another minute. But exposed, jeez, man, reverse psychology. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Wait, so now I got to do the reverse psychology. So reverse psychology would be reverse. So then that's just normal psychology. This is for tonight. Thank you, man. I don't know what you mean by this is for. You might mean for, like, my Twitch stream. You're putting that towards the Twitch stream, I assume you mean. Suppose, thank you, man. You bought me dinner tonight.
Oh no.
Rather than the money coming out of my account, well, I mean, it's still going to be coming out of my account, me with sustenance to survive. And you know what? You didn't hurt my motivation either. You definitely didn't hurt my motivation to stream. I'll say that. Tyler, love you too, man.